Yeah. Dylan Swint in Texas is not allowed to put a heater on Ashley's face. Darlene is not allowed to fucking put coughing on Ashley. I cannot breathe. Put Darlene in fucking jail. If you kill my fucking dogs by putting a heater on their face, Jack is not allowed to fucking do this to my phone. And you don't tell Ashley to shut up. The fucking guy on the fucking hair face, the fucking weave of the fucking mom, he needs to fucking go to jail. Only. You're not allowed to kill Ashley because Dylan Swint is poisoning Ashley's face and skin body before the sun comes up with a heater trying to dry up the water boy that fucking Slipknot did. I want Slipknot in prison forever. Okay, that's fine. That's fine.